This lab session introduced different properties of fluid. Properties of fluid are the characteristics of the fluid that define its physical conditions. The significance of physical properties of fluid comes because most of the very important parameters required by engineers depend on them. In addition, these properties help in the classification of fluids since similar physical properties imply similar engineering properties. The physical properties discussed in this experiment are the density of water. Other than that, this experiment also was performed to see how fluids are affected to their density. Density is the measure of mass per unit volume and is denoted by the symbol P. This measurement allows Newton's second law to be applied of fluid on a per unit volume basis. The mass of the object generally measured by a balance or scale, as where volume can be measured by water displacement, or by simply by calculating it using the object's parameters. Viscosity is found through an equation which utilizes the object's radius, densities of both the fluid and object suspended, and gravitational force.
So the objective of this experiment is to determine the density of water and the density of oil. The density that we should get for water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and for the oil is 900 kg per meter cube. Okay, so for the safety precaution, so firstly, no unauthorized use of equipment. Secondly, always clean up all the instruments after you have done the experiment.
Okay, finally is the conclusion for fluid characteristic. In conclusion, the value of density of water is 1000 kilograms per meter cube, and the density of oil is 900 kilograms per meter cube. The difference between the experiment and theory is around 10 kilograms per meter cube. It is true that the human error cannot be avoided, but by following the procedure properly, we can avoid and greatly reduce the human error. So at the end of the experiment, the density of water and oil is able to be determined. So the experiment's objective is achieved.